Hello everyone, I'm Pranshu. Today I receive a parcel, and this was not a parcel, this was my prize which I got from the Chitrabhumi Art Academy. Actually, in June 2023, Chitrabhumi Art Academy organized a competition in which I got a prize due to my hard work, and in the prize I got a ring light and overhead tripod. I'm very happy to get the prize, and thankful to Chitrabhumi Art Academy, and because the art competition is the only way to bring out the capability of an artist, and I also hope that he also organize many competition in the future. Thank you so much.
हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ रंजन दिलखुश एंड आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट। तो एक दो महीने पहले माय फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल द चित्रभूमि आर्ट एकेडमी ने आर्ट कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था एंड आई गॉट फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन दैट कंपटीशन। और उन्होंने प्राइज़ भी मेरे घर तक पहुंचा दिया है। सो थैंक यू सो मच चित्रभूमि आर्ट एकेडमी एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर 50K सब्सक्राइबर। In fact, he is very near of 60K. So I hope you will get 100K very soon. And thank you so much again.
Hello, this is me, Trishu. I want to tell you that my prize from Chitrabhumi Art Academy art competition has arrived. It was Bruce 2 300 GSM drawing paper. I am very thankful to Chitrabhumi Art Academy for this prize. It would be very helpful in my art journey. Thank you, Chitrabhumi Art Academy, for this prize.